Step one would be Croftgateusa leather cleaner. It's a cleaner conditioner. And step two, to feed the leather, put emollients back in, plasticizers, give it long life. Use a leather cream. We call it basically it's a leather feed. It'll be absorbed. And if you love the smell of new leather, you'll love this. Use the cleaner and conditioner, and it does clean and it does condition. It has emollients put back into the leather. It's just to foam the surface of a microfiber towel and wipe in. Once it's rubbed in enough, you'll feel the difference. It'll feel softer. We're gonna put the leather cream or leather feed cream in, and there's two ways that we recommend doing it. Do the one that you feel most comfortable with. And just allow it to sit for a few minutes. It'll be absorbed. Puts all the emollients back in. Gives it elasticity again. Gives it a phenomenal leather smell. And gives it long life. And I should mention, makes it look beautiful.